Everything begins in the vineyards. Under the sun and soil, grapes slowly mature, absorbing the character of the land. This is where the journey of wine starts, long before the machines, the barrels, and the bottles. The grapes enter the first inspection conveyor. Advanced optical scanners inspect grape quality. Only the best grapes continue through the production line. The grapes move toward the destemming machine. The destemming process separates grapes from stems. The separated grapes move toward crushing. The crushing stage gently releases grape juice. Fresh grape must flows into stainless steel tanks. Fresh juice flows through filtration channels. So the juice is cooled to stabilize its chemistry. Automated valves regulate the flow. The clarified juice moves to fermentation tanks. Massive fermentation tanks dominate the facility. The fermentation stage begins. Yeast begins converting sugars into alcohol. Temperature control systems maintain ideal conditions. The fermentation tanks are carefully monitored to maintain optimal temperature and chemical balance. Automated cooling systems regulate the heat produced during fermentation. Pumps circulate the fermenting juice to ensure uniform extraction. The remontage process redistributes juice over the grape skins. Fermentation produces continuous streams of carbon dioxide bubbles. Automated stirring systems maintain even fermentation. Sensors continuously analyze the chemical evolution of the wine. The winery's central system supervises every fermentation tank. As fermentation slows, the wine begins to stabilize. The wine is prepared for the clarification stage. The young wine moves toward industrial filtration systems. Automated pumps maintain constant pressure in the filtration system. The clarified wine is transferred to stabilization tanks. Large, stainless steel tanks hold the wine for stabilization. The next stage introduces oak aging for flavor development. Wine is transferred into oak barrels for aging. Rows of oak barrels store the wine during maturation. Humidity and temperature are controlled automatically. Robotic systems inspect the aging barrels. The aging process slowly refines the wine structure. The matured wine is pumped back into stainless steel tanks for final preparation. The wine undergoes another fine filtration to ensure clarity. Precision sensors verify the final chemical balance of the wine. Glass bottles arrive on a high-speed conveyor system. The bottles are washed and sterilized before filling. Automated drying systems remove remaining moisture. The bottles move into the automated filling station. Wine flows into each bottle with precise volume control. The filled bottles move toward the corking machine. Natural corks are inserted using high-pressure machines. Capsules are applied to seal the bottles. Labels are printed and applied automatically. High-speed cameras inspect every bottle for defects. Approved bottles continue toward the packaging area. Robotic arms organize bottles into perfect rows. The bottles are gently placed into cardboard cartons. Industrial machines close and seal the cartons. Each carton is labeled for shipment and traceability. The cartons move to the palletizing station. A robotic palletizer stacks cartons with precision. The completed pallet is wrapped for transport. Automated forklifts move pallets to the warehouse. Rows of finished wine pallets fill the storage facility. Warehouse systems track every pallet digitally. Automated systems load pallets into transport trucks. The finished wine is ready for global distribution.
Easy does it.